girl and your friends bad too. You got the swag, so she do the swag too. Bad girl and your friends bad too. You got the swag, so she do the swag too.
Let's play a little just between you and I. I'll be honest, gotta use your mind. We can be constant robbers, Tarzan and Jane, Marilyn and Robert. But either way, the objective is the same: to please and entertain. Baby, my vixen, my better be a stain. We will get the spotlight all night. Check every time you play. You will be my vixen as we improvise. Delivering a captivating performance every time. Why not be reactive? Pull out all the stops. You can pick the scene if I can pick the props. You love our classroom, my office, masquerade expert, an office. We can play the objective is the same: to please and entertain. Baby, my vixen, my better be a stain. We won't get the spotlight all night. Check every time you play. You will be my vixen as we improvise. Delivering a captivating performance every time.
Rap to you real quick. I wanna enjoy the luxury of like not knowing each other for real. Hold up.
Lord is flower bound, firefly. When I'm low, she take me high. I can teach you all the sounds of love.
Flower bomb, let me guess your favorite fragrance. And you got that bomb, I'm trying to detonate you. No disrespecting, baby, just try and make me smile. Try to keep my spirits up, that's why I lace it down. Try to keep your spirits up, little vodka, whatever. Took it forever to get dressed, I acknowledge your effort. so I clap for her. She deserves an applause. Shawty working so hard, she deserves that baton. Shawty, where your baton? Racing through my mind like she heard that I got that work. I heard that she been on strike. Care to tell? Read your mind. She been on them dollars first. Caramel, macchiato, so shawty get in the work. I can be your boyfriend, be your Vito, or a grandpa perk. I'm just trying to work that. They just trying to work your nerves. I'm just trying to read your mind. I'm just trying to feed you mine. I'm just trying to keep you light. They just trying to leave you blind.
Fantasy, I feel the way you dance with me. It's feeling like you need to be my lady, my baby. Can't you see? I'm talking about eternity. Tell me, would you care to be my lady, my baby?
Flower bomb, can I blow up on your mind? This is not no Sandra Bullock, but your potion number 9. Navigating through her eyes, destination to her thighs. And I hate to tell you too much, cause I stay with too much pride. And we way too young to know love. Maybe not what we
What's up everyone, it's Dom the Tastemaker and welcome back to my channel. Today you guys, I'm going to be introducing you to a new company to me, and that is Remy Forte. I believe that's how you pronounce it. If I'm not pronouncing it right, forgive me. Today you guys, I'm wearing this wear and go unit, which is so perfect because this is the unit that's literally ready straight out of the box. It comes pre-plucked, okay? Let's look at the hairline. Pre-plucked to perfection, you guys. Like, look at that. And it's not overdone. It's not overdone. They just did the right amount of plucking to it. This is the parting space. So you get a decent amount of parting space. And no, I did not have to bleach the knots in this unit. This is just how the unit comes. It looks so very natural. And because it's a wear and go unit, you can literally take it off, put it back on. I know there is like a slight line of demarcation, but this is a pre-cut lace unit and it doesn't have the zigzag finish to it or the scallop finish to it. So it is straight across, which does make it a little bit more visible. But if you did use like a melting spray or your adhesive spray, the lace would definitely melt. But because I didn't use any product on today's unit, this is what we have. But let me show you guys how quick and easy, like you can just put it on, take it off, put it right back on. Like, this is so crazy because y'all know I always glue my units down. I never have it like this. See how quick and easy it was to put on. But the great thing about it too is that I was able to curl it like really easy and quick, and I use this DeVoe curling wand. I've had this for years, you guys. It comes with 3 different heads, and I don't know, I might need to hit them up. Maybe I could like see if I can get y'all a discount code on this if they still sell it or not, or I'll try to link it down below for you guys. But it does come with different heads. This is the one that I use, and I like it because it's just one side straight across. You don't want to use the ones that get like skinny on this point and then are like fatter right here, because it does change like the curl pattern, so just be mindful of that. And this is one of those units that it already came with a wave in it, so when you add curls to it, the curls just hold, because I didn't even use any hairspray, I didn't use any heat protectant spray, I didn't use any oil sheen or anything like that on this unit, and you guys see what it's giving. Okay, beautiful, like voluminous bouncy curls. Like, it's so pretty, like, and it's soft. It's so soft, and I'm trying very hard not to like run my fingers through it because I want to run my fingers through it so bad. I might do it like after I take pictures. I might run my fingers through it and then see if I like that better, and then maybe I'll come back and then show you guys what that looks like. Okay, pulling the curls apart is actually the best decision ever, because can we get into this? I told y'all I would come back to show you guys like what it was giving, and it's definitely giving a lot more when you pull the curls apart. It's so pretty. Yeah, love 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 this. As you guys saw, like the packaging for this unit was like very simple, like super simple, probably the most simple. It was literally a box, the hair inside of the box, which was inside of a net, and it was 2 clips and a wig cap, and that was literally it. And the wig cap didn't even have a brand, it was just like inside of a plastic little I'm like, okay, well, you know, hey, you know, the hair itself is really bomb, so I'm not even really tripping off of the packaging. But the reason why I say this is because there's no information on the box, or there's no wrapper that has like the texture, the length, or anything like that. So I'm not really sure on the length for this one, but I would say this is potentially between an 18 and a 20 inch. And of course, you know, they go by the stretch length. So if I was, oh dang, I'm about to pull the curls. But okay, since I'm already here we are. So this is where it stops. So right here at my chest. So there's that. And then, oh, it just bounces back so perfectly. Okay, maybe I should do that. Let me just do a quick little so pretty. I am in love. Like, look how bouncy these curls are. So healthy. And this is in a jet black color. I do have this in a 1B, and I love that because jet black is just like it. That's why my eyebrows look a little bit more brown today, because this is such a dark black color. And like I said, it is pre-plucked and it comes with bleach knots, but it has like the really tiny knots, so it just looks so natural. And the other thing about it is that this is a 6" by 4" closure unit, and I love the amount of parting space on it because you do get all of this here. And I could have did like baby hairs on this, but I just decided not to. I feel like this side blends a lot better than this side. I feel like this side is more obvious than this side, but yeah, the tracks start like right there though. So you get all this space in the front, and then this is your parting space in the back. And then if you want to, of course, you know, you can part it back here as well. So you do get a decent amount of parting space on this unit, but you can't really do a lot of styles with it. You can wear it like as a side part, you can do a middle part. You could wear it straight, curled, you can put crimps in it. But other than that, if you're trying to do like a half up, half down, you can't really do a half up, half down with this. I mean, you could just do like the center part, but I don't know. So yeah, that is my opinion on this unit. I do also like the fact that it has a very snug fit to it as well, because when it comes to these glueless units, it's always a fit issue for me, but this one actually fits really good. And I would say that it's definitely all head size friendly, because you can definitely wear this if you have a larger head, and if you're like myself and you have a very petite head, you can definitely pull this off as well, because a lot of these units that come like with the glueless thing, like they never fit so snug on me like this one does, and I literally could wear it as a glueless unit. So I'm happy about that. Yay! I can finally join the crew, because I be kind of jealous, y'all. I like, my head is so small, like I can never fit a glueless unit, and this one I can actually fit. So thank you to Remy Forte for creating this beautiful masterpiece of a unit, because I'm in love with it. It's beautiful, it fits great, it's a great everyday put on and go. It's a wear and go unit, so you can literally style it straight out of the box, you guys. You don't even have to worry about bleaching the knots, plucking it. You don't have to worry even about curling it, because it comes curled for you already as well. Just, you know, add a couple of little curls in there. You don't have to do the whole thing like I did, but you know, once I get carried away, I get carried away. You can use this curling wand. It's very quick and easy to actually curl your hair this way. It's easier to curl your hair with a curling wand than it is like a flat iron or like those curling barrel type of things, you know, the ones that's like, y'all know which ones I'm talking about. Like those ones are a little bit difficult, and the curls look different too, so that's the other thing you have to keep in mind. But this one keeps it as a beautiful water wave, as you guys can see. Like, it's just so pretty. Like, look how pretty it is. Like, excuse me. Absolutely love this one, you guys. So if you guys are interested in checking this unit out for yourself, make sure you check out that description box down below for a direct link to this unit, along with all the details to this hair. If there was something that I didn't cover and you still have a question, drop a comment down below and I'll get to you guys as soon as I can. I want to give a big thank you to all of my subscribers out there, both new and returning, for showing me so much love and support. And I will see all of you beautiful people in my next one. Bye.